Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by measuring and cleaning your rice so the flour becomes light and consistent. Rinse until water is clear. This removes surface starch that makes clumping. Once drained, soak 15-30 minutes if you want a finer grind, otherwise dry immediately. Make sure rice is dry on a towel or pop it in a low oven for 5-10 minutes at 100 degrees because excess moisture ruins powdering. Now divide into 1-2 cup batches and place the first batch into your grinder or blender. Now you grind with control. Use short pulses rather than one long run so the motor doesn't overheat and the rice doesn't steam. Grind 1-2 cup batches, let the container cool between runs, and tap out the flour to keep airflow moving. Once most is powder, sift through a 60-80 mesh sieve. This separates fine flour from larger granules. Make sure to regrind any coarse bits and then sift again. Repeat until you achieve a uniform, soft texture suitable for baking or thickening. Finish by cooling the flour completely so trapped heat doesn't condense inside the container. Transfer to an airtight jar or vacuum bag and label with the date. For longer life, keep it in the fridge or freezer. If you see clumps, a quick fix is to spread the flour thin on a tray and dry at 90-100 degrees for 10-15 minutes, then regrind. This solves moisture or oil issues. Make sure to test a tablespoon in water to confirm smoothness before using.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.